Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how do we mute someone else's Instagram account on our Instagram. So first thing we have to do is open the Instagram. Okay, and after that we just need to decide which account that we want to mute. For example, I want to mute this, so you just need to go click the ID and we will be generated into their profile, and after that you just need to go click this following. Okay, just click it, and after that you will be have several options. Either you want to add into the close friend list, or add into your favorites, or mute. You just need to click mute if you want to mute this account. You can choose also what content that you want to mute, or you can choose the post if you don't want to their post is appearing on your feeds or story, so there will be no story of this account like appear on your story sections too. So for example, I only want to mute their post, and after that you just need to go back, and that's done. That's all the way how to mute a Instagram account. So if you find that this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.